Welcome to my channel. Hello friends, today we will discuss difference between commercialization and nationalization. Commercialization means running an organization or service on commercial principles to earn profit. Nationalization means transfer of ownership of an organization from private to government control. Objective of commercialization is to make the organization profitable, efficient, and self-sustaining. But the objective of nationalization is to serve public interest and bring key sectors under government control. In commercialization, ownership may remain private or public, but focus is on profit making and efficiency. In nationalization, objective is complete government ownership and control after acquisition from private owners. The purpose of commercialization. It focuses on profitability, cost cutting, and financial performance. Nationalization focuses on social welfare, economic equality, and controlling essential industries. Commercialization's example is running public transport to earn profit by increasing fares, improving efficiency, etc. Example is nationalization of banks in India in 1969 and 1980 by government. Control of commercialization is market-oriented, less government interference in operations. In nationalization, full government control, decision taken by government authorities. Risk. In commercialization, business risk is borne by the organization itself. In nationalization, government bears financial and operational risks. So, key difference will be commercialization is equal to focus on profit and efficiency. Nationalization, focus on public ownership and welfare. So, examples of commercialization and nationalization are discussed as Indian Railway. Commercialization. Indian Railway has introduced premium trains like Tejas Express, Vande Bharat Express, operated with commercial objectives, higher fares, improved services, on-board catering to earn profits. Privatized electricity boards is also an example of commercialization. Many state electricity boards were commercialized to focus on cost recovery and efficiency by changing market-based tariffs. Public sector banks also an example of commercialization because they are called commercial banks, charging fees. Banks